Wow. Isn't it lovely that? Can I bet gold? I see it. Try and get it again now. Wow. Lovely, aren't they? Wow, come on. Wow, they're just like they've got lights in these tunnels. Look. You can just see, you know. Wow, look at that. I hope you do like these. I think they're brilliant. It gives you a good insight in what's inside these. You say you can't get a porous meteorite, surely, but hey, we're looking inside one right now. Look, porous meteorite. Even that top Earth spends team can't say these are not meteorites. They're meteorites. Yeah, they should get rid of him and start their own channel. He's a disgrace, him and his wife. Anyway, I won't go on about that. Look at that, looks like a star there, doesn't it? But these are great, these. This is landed in the UK, this, England. And we'll spin round and have a look at... Oh. Dear God, look at that. Wow, that's blew me up. That proper blew me. That blew me away, that, did it, you? I wasn't expecting that. It was gorgeous, look. Beautiful. It did. It took the breath out of me, that. I couldn't believe how fantastic that looked. Well, I say. Yeah, let's try and get in there. Oh, it is nice, that, and there's the fusion. All melted on there, look. You see the patination there in this phase, you can see him, look at that. Brilliant stuff. Oh, I got an itch on my nose, sorry. Oh dear me, look at that. Let me get that hair off there. It's not my nose hair, I'm telling you. Oh, what? That is nice. I'm trying to get in there, just can't get in there. But look, I'm getting there though. We're going to be queen right, but I'm really guessing that as I'm vacuuming and with all these bees right on top of here. Wow. So we're going to be vacuuming some more. Look at this face there, look. Right up here, narrowing them down. And we're looking for her. I'm in there, look. Is it there? Get him. There you are. Brilliant stuff. Look at that. Oh, amazing, amazing, totally amazing. Hey, aren't they lovely? They're gorgeous, them. They really are. I love looking at them. It really surprised me that when I turned that over, I wasn't expecting that. I really wasn't. Look at that holding out in there. Wow. Keep saying wow, don't I? But it just amazes me all the time. Not one of these are different. I mean, the same. They're all absolutely different. There's not one meteorite the same. They just take you. They just take your breath away. They really do. Look at that. It's like somebody's been playing marbles up there. Oh, that's beautiful. Come on now. Come on. That's really, really, really attractive. Wow, look at that. Oh, I do love looking at these, I do. And I hope you enjoy looking at these. Let's have a side on. Let's just have a look at the side. John, don't get there. It's got a side, yes, little space there, all in there. Look at that. Hey. He is a professional, not a heavy machinery operator. He's a professional. Gorgeous. Really nice. Same one, look. Same one. Same one. Same one. You know it's the same one, don't we? We only have to walk it over. And you see that it's the same one. Look at that in there. So John was the one who contacted me about this hog, and we're open. Great, and that. Aren't they fantastic pictures, though? These meteorites, mate. It's right around the corner. Everything is far around here because something different, isn't it? Charlie and I, we got the bees, got the comb. Sorry, I don't show my face all the time, but it's camera shy me, you know. But I'm all good and honest. I don't want anything off anybody, just a subscription. Be nice. Look at that. Come on there. Great, isn't it? I love it. Right, that's for that one. Let's just have a quick skim over of this one. Remember that one with the skull's face on it? There it is. looks like he belongs in a fish tank. It doesn't half make me laugh, that. Topper. Oh no, that's me. That chuckled me that. I am sorry, let's get on with it. Let me get on with it. Do you know, that top horseman, if he was a doorbell, he'd be called Ding Dong. You know, it was fantastic to prove him wrong. It was $1 million. You know, it was better than winning the lottery. Anyway, get back on with this and pull myself together now. Let me just spin it round to that. Oh. Right. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at them like little crystals on the floor. Oh, wow, look at that. Hey. All framed up, we're going to take the everything Beehive body. Wow, we only clean this, you see. I've been wanting to clean this for quite a bit. I'm just going to spin it round onto this. I wanted to have a look at this and all. So let's go ahead and open up our ice chest and we're going to see if we can find our queen. They're going to be a lot of bees. Wow, what? They're beautiful, aren't they? They're really nice. These, look at that. Hey, look at that. That queen, regardless. So I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting. Amazing, man, amazing. That is a lot of bees. You see, this is a bit fiddly to get about on this one, but stay with me. It's just radiating out, which is one of the reasons I love using an ice chest. That is beautiful. It does maintain the temperature somewhat. And now that we're just had a skim across the top so you can have a look. What's wow. It's like a crystal. Just get it there. There's one there. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, where did that come from? Wow. Some good stuff on here, you know. Easy, sneezy. It's in there. Let's have a look. Now, make sure my queen's not on this stuff. Right, hold on. Our next piece is a small frame one, so we got to get this frame right here. I'm going to get me over microscope working anyway. I've not had time to have a look at it. It should be because it's one you can look in your ear and it can zoom in these little tunnels. That way I know when I pull it out, this is the top of the comb and the orientation of that hive, of that piece of comb. So that has to go to the top of our... Wow. Excellent, aren't they? Dear God, look at that. Just turned my light off. No, I didn't. My light ran out. I'll just go back to this. You know, it's that one. It's got the skull on it. There. It's just because my light ran out. Usually it's a close-up, but there you go. And there's that. I've been using that to look Very good. These you can get these on the Amazon. About 30 quid. Really good they are for looking in, at your stuff. Go over your phone. Excellent, excellent. Well recommended. And there's that. There's the other one. Hey, right. Okay, that's that for now. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye bye now.